In today's video, let's talk about the way that you fix the offline mode problem for Spotify. Now, if you're having issues turning on the offline mode, the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that the offline mode is enabled or not. So within your profile and from the playback settings, you'll be able to see the option right here, which says go online within. So make sure that this option is toggled on. So you can also try toggling on and toggling off this option a couple of times, and you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if this is not the issue with you, what you can try out is try to restart the application of Spotify. So make sure you remove the Spotify app from the recent app list and try to open it up again and try to see if this issue is fixed. What you can also try out is try to clear the app cache of Spotify by tapping and holding the app, heading over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, tap on storage and then tap on clear cache. What you can also try out is look for any new updates available. So open up the Play Store or the App Store, search for Spotify, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update this application. Once you complete this step, and if you're still having issues, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of Spotify from your device and then again reinstall it, as well as you can try to restart your phone to solve any sort of glitches on your phone which might be causing this issue. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix the Spotify offline mode problem. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if this kind of video was helpful. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next one.